Hi everyone, today we're going to look at a problem where your basin water is flowing very slowly. So let's look at how we can address that. Alright, for this work, I'm going to take the S-trap off here to see whether there is any hair stuck underneath. Obviously, I already cleared all the toiletry out from the bottom, and you will need a bucket to catch the water, and also some rod or cloth again to capture all the dirty bits as well. So wish me luck. Also, don't forget your glove as well. All right, let's see how we go. Okay, this is going to be my setup. I have the rod underneath, and then I have to set the bucket over the S-trap that I'm going to take it apart. The water starts coming out. Alright, did you see the dirty thing? As I expected. See all the dirty stuff there, and also dirty stuff hanging up there. I'm gonna clear all that so the water flow will be much better. There's a lot of it. So I'm gonna clear all these gluey bits out. I'm gonna clear this one first. You see all of this is a gluey thing. Just get them out. And all these are the ones that cause the water to flow really slow. So if I clear them out, half of the problem. Maybe I should use some of the products that they say, they will clear the thing, but I just, this is the most traditional way. When it's done, it's clean. You can actually see it clean. Pipe is clean now. Very clean now. Happy. Alright. Now we'll clean the inside and see what comes out. I can actually feel a lot of gooey stuff. Some hair as well. I'm gonna put this in there. Just like that, you see the gooey stuff there. And hair as well, so I'm just trying to clear all this away. See all this gooey stuff's coming out. So I'm going to clear all this bit by bit. Okay, I think I'm almost clear. Look at how much dirty stuff coming out of just the sink itself. I think that one should be really clear, I think. Alright, so we are putting the pipe back. Basically, we'll clear the pipes, we clear the hole here, we clear the top. So now we just have to put this back, screw it back on how we took it out before, 10 tight, and run the water. Then we see there should be no leak. That should be all good. Okay, now we got everything done. Time to clear the rod away. Look at how much crap coming out of it. Ooh. How much dirty stuff. That's disgusting. No wonder the water flow is so slow. Okay, let me just quickly test it. Nope. Water falls straight away down. No leak here. Oh good. Alright guys, there's another DIY for you. When you have a drain that flow really slow, it's probably have a lot of glue stuff here. That's because this pipe here always have water inside because of the S-trap. So you know the fix is basically tell you that all the things going to be floating here, and sooner or later it will all get clogged up, and it's all these things that gather around here. Therefore when you clear them, and your pipe should be flowing much better. Okay guys, subscribe if you're new to the channel, hit the like buttons and comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Yay, the water is flowing very nicely now. Hey, it's clear.